Welcome back to another Cape Coral 4 Miles online tour. Okay, like I said in my previous video, I'm going hiking. Okay, we're back at the Rotary Park in Cape Coral, in the southwest area, close to Tarpon Point, and I'm gonna take you hiking around this beautiful place here. Okay, this park here has a couple of these hiking areas. I'm not gonna hike the whole thing. I just want you to get an idea. And so it's a place that you could come in the morning and just walk and see nature. Okay. As you can see, this is what Cape Coral used to look like before humans came over and created all this beautiful real estate. Okay, let's take a look here. This hike here has, it's surrounded by ponds. This is what the pond looks like in the dry season. Okay. It's amazing to have a shot like this so close in a city, that you just come out and you're in the middle of nowhere. So during the rainy season, all this gets filled up with water and it becomes a pretty big pond. I don't want to keep walking because it's kind of really muddy, but let me see if I can walk before getting to like some kind of quicksand. Okay, so you get the idea here. So there's three of them. The one on the other side has water, and the one on the other side of that one doesn't have water. It's kind of like this one. Today is June 8th. Okay, I'm gonna do another video a month from now to show you the difference. The whole landscaping changes, and also, everything gets greener, more fuller, and everything, a lot of water. Right here we got a spider web. I don't want to get hit with it. So let me see if I can move my camera a little bit around. I'm going to give myself a space to go here. Okay. So here's the other side. Let me go down here, close to here. This is the one that has the water. Okay. Let's go back. Throughout this trail, you have picnic tables too, so you can sit down, relax, and enjoy the scenery, and sit down and listen to nature. Sometimes it's better if you just sit down, because nature comes to you. While you're walking, nature is running away from you. So let's go. Let me know in your comments below, what do you think about this video? If you would like to see more videos like this. Over here you got a very nice observatory that we can go look everything around, but first let me come over here so you can see the pond. Look how dry it is. Remember, I'll be doing a month from now a video like standing right here so you can see the difference. That's a nice thing about this eco parks that Cape Coral has. We have another one by the Cape Coral Bridge, by Veterans Bridge. That is very nice. It's kind of like this. And the nice thing is that, during the different types of the season, you come over and everything changes. And like I said, it's nice if you could just sit down and relax. and listen to nature. Like for instance, you got a bench right here. Just make sure there's nothing around you. You just sit down and look at nature. A lot of times you got fish jumping and birds coming around, hawks, golden eagles, owls. But sometimes you gotta sit a lot. It's like fishing. Okay, let's go back. Let's go on the top of the observatory here and see everything that's around here. See how big this place is. I think it's a little bigger than the first observatory that we saw in the first video. It's a little taller. I think it's a lot taller. Check that beautiful view. That you see over there, that's the Westin Hotel and Tarpon Point Marina and condominium. That's a pretty big crow. Okay, let's keep going up. There's one more. Over here, you get to see all the pond. It's a pretty big park. You see over there's another dry pond on the other side. You see one here right over there. I don't see if you can see it. Let me see if you see over here. It's another pond. We'll go next to it when we walk all the way around. Well, these trails are going to that area there, but I'm not going there. That's for experienced hiker. I'm almost out of breath already. You guys probably, my breathing is probably driving you crazy, but I'm sorry. You see over there, that's Tarpon Point Marina is behind the hotel, but over here, that opening that you see there, that's more or less where I did the first video that I had a tower that was there, but I can't see the tower from here. It's amazing so far. Well, let's go back down and continue our hike. Let me show you here a little side. This side over here. See all those palm trees in the back and the homes. Like I said on the previous videos, if you like to home near this park, I'll put on a link below. So I could put all this area here. Homes are available, so you could just get to see what price ranges are here. So right now we don't have that much inventory, so not that many homes will show up. So that's why I'm gonna select a pretty big area around this neighborhood here, all this area here, including Tarpon Point and condominiums. So that way you get an idea of the price ranges, okay? So let's go. I'm gonna go back down and we'll continue hiking. All of a sudden it got really windy. So That's pretty good. I take all the wind it can give me, so it keeps the heat away. Having a little drink of water here. They have all these markers here, like that one's number 11. It's kind of, this is the main route. So in case lost, just follow the markers and it'll take you out. It's kind of in a circle. I came in this side and there's a bridge that goes over the pond, and then you get on the other side and you walk back. But there's also more trails that you could go with that are off the main trail. But that are for more experienced hikers than I am. You can see, this is real. That's why they call it Cape Coral. That's Cape Coral. Like for instance here, you got that trail that goes that way. I haven't taken it one day. If you guys want, I'll take it for you guys. It's gonna be long. I'll come in with more water and we'll take it. Here's another one. I mean, if we would have had a map that tells you where it goes or something, I would be more confident in going on it. Because maybe it goes in a big circle, and that would be nice. But I'll try to see if I can see it in the Google map, if I can see the trail. Check out this view here. And like I said, they always have a bench so you can sit down and enjoy the view. Let's do that for a second here. Oh, look at that. It's a humongous black bird over there. I don't know what it is. It's in one of the branches. I hope, I'm not boring you with this tour. I'm thinking about the people that like this type of activities. So that's why I'm, showing you and relaxing a little bit and just letting you look at the area. So I hope the background music that I selected goes with the scenery and this tour. Okay, let's keep going. See here, more trails. That looks like a nice trail for some reason. I feel like going there, but no, not today. I don't want to do a video. I got lost in Cape Coral. There's some pigeons. I should have come earlier. Right now it's approximately 10:30. It's not that late, but I mean earlier. It's kind of starting getting warm now, so I think all the animal activity is kind of dying down because it's hot. Probably hiding in here. There's another bench. Check out that palm that grew. That's amazing. Straight out and up. I wonder where the root system is, huh? I don't see any roots. That is crazy. Oh, check out that bird over there. Just look at me, I'm looking at him. Okay, let's keep going. It's a nice butterfly. Okay, we're by number 3, so we're getting close to the exit. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to film and I'm not watching where I'm walking, so. Here's another stop, another bench. Let's see if this, you can see the bird from another angle. Nothing here. Nothing here. A lot of people ask me, when do you do real estate? If you're doing videos all the time. Well, I kind of do the videos in the morning before I go to work. And basically the way, check out this view, look at that. The way my wife and I work is, she's the one answering the calls and taking care of you guys, and the one that does most of the marketing and check on the homes and take clients out and things like that. So my schedule is more flexible. My wife is the one that she's 9 to 5 and sometimes 9 to 9. But that's how we do it, so we stay away from each other a little bit so we don't overcrowd ourselves. Check that bird. So remember, if you're thinking about moving to Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Lee County area, or either anywhere in Southwest Florida, we can help. Our office has offices all over the state, so and we got people that we know in most of those offices. Okay, so if you're looking for property in Florida, you could give us a call. Okay, we're coming in now to the end of our tour here. We're back outside. Okay. And we're back at the Rotary Park. We actually started over there and we end up over here. Okay. Let me do a nice little walk through here and I'll finish the video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For me, I love making these videos. I love to hear from your comments. And I do these videos for people to really see how beautiful this area is. You don't only have to sell real estate, you also have to sell the area. Hello.